Hi, this is Anand from Geekstick. This video is to generate the pipeline script using the plugin Convert Folders Job to Pipeline. Hi, in this video we are going to find a few alternatives to the pipeline. When Jenkins itself able to generate the pipeline code, why we need to do by ourselves? Let it do. Manually we need not generate or write the code by ourselves because our focus is why, right? To make our life much easier. Yesterday I did something. Today again, why I need to repeat the same content again or same stuff again? Let the machine do, because all we are moving towards the immortal leader world, right? Machine dictates, rules and principles will drive everything. So yesterday we set some standard. Today we need to surpass our own standard. So continuously we need to thrive, to do it much better. And whatever we do, yesterday I had done this thing, and today I am going to repeat the same. Tomorrow also I am going to repeat. Day after tomorrow, why we need to do it again? So give that control to that machine. Let it do, because every time that's what they are doing here. When you are adding some new job, here what I'm going to do in a folder, whatever the jobs are listed. Last time we wrote the declarative pipeline, scripted pipeline. So now we are going to generate the declarative pipeline code. Let it, there is appropriate plugin for all our requirements. All we need to ask is a right question, right? So when you ask right question, you will get, certainly it will be addressed. For no one can answer, no one can give right answer to a wrong question. So likewise, for example, if you go to any speaker, they are asked, what is your best speech? Instantly he will tell, my best speech is going to be my next speech. Okay, so likewise, for any developer, if someone asks, what is your best development? Always it is going to be next development. So always try to improve, find some alternative. First, all we need to focus on how we are going to make our life easier. After that, we can worry about client and end client, customer, everyone, or the next team, or peers. First, make your life easier. What are the possible easiest way? Try to follow that. Make it as a practice. Observe that and also set it as a standard and template. Let influencer. We are going to be an influencer or early adapters. Okay, so these early adapters and influencers and innovators only will drive the market. Now we are going to see how we are going to generate the code. Let's go to the examples now. Thank you. We need to see how we are going to install this plugin also. What plugin we are going to install. Going to go to Manage Jenkins, Manage Plugins. Here we can find the plugin already which I installed. This is the plugin name is Convert to Pipeline. This is what we need to install. Convert to Pipeline. If you install Convert to Pipeline, we will get this Convert Folders Job to Pipeline. We will get this feature. For getting this feature, we need to install Convert to Pipeline. This is very important. Likewise, when you are installing plugin, when it asks for upgrade, we need to be very careful. Don't apply the all plugin together. Install step by step. Otherwise, we don't know which plugin caused the whole system down. Because last week in my work, I had this experience. I blindly install a whole plugin. Everything got come to a complete stop. Even I'm unable to boot also. So then again, fortunately, I contacted my Unix administrators and I conned the whole volume, the flashback. I brought it back and made it work. To get the previous error itself, it happened to struggle. So when you are upgrading plugin, you need to be very careful. Yeah, let's go to the example. First, let's see how we are going to call the job sequentially without using pipeline. In this move files configuration, what I am going to do, in this build other projects, I am going to give this gendoc and move files 1. That's it. There is no pipe, nothing. Just I am going to call this move files. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm building it now. First this script is called. Then move files 1 is called. Then again the gen awk. That's it. First it started with the move files. Everything is called sequentially. Yeah, it's good. So here now we are not, you see, the downstream jobs are move files 1, then gen awk. Straightforward. Now what we are going to do now, here as I install that plugin, here I got this convert folders job to pipeline. Pipeline 1. Just I'm calling this move job. Convert. Here this is very important. Recursively convert downstream job. Yeah, that has been selected. Let's see the configuration. What is there? See, all these steps have been called over here. Move files 1, gen awk. Now let's run this pipeline 1. Build with parameters, because one of the job is having this build with parameter key. Build. See the pipeline, the code is generated. Exactly, it's working like a pipeline. Now the other way of doing, I will show you. Now, I mean, one more thing also we need to make sure from the move files, I don't want this dependency because already I generated a pipeline. So I don't want this dependency anymore. Let's go to configuration. I am trying to remove the dependency. I don't need it anymore. Apply, save. Let's again call this pipe. What's going to happen? Because code is generated once, that's it. So it will remain intact. There is no downstream job. Even then, all the required jobs will be called in the sequence or in the way we expected. Everything has been called. Awesome. Now, the other way of doing is create new item, freestyle project. We'll call it as a pre-pipe because it is going to be an input to a pipe. Pre-pipe. Build other projects. Here I am going to give all these files. Move files 1, gen awk, move files 1, apply, save. Then from here I am going to create this. From this pre-pipe I am converting this job to a pipe. Pipe 2. Build with parameters. Build. See, everything is working as we expected. Let's see how the code has been generated. See, the code is generated in the same way. So in multiple ways we can do. Now I'm giving the option. Both the options I'm giving you. Now it's up to you. Whatever convenient you can choose. If you have any queries, feel free to put it on the comment. I will try to get back to you at the earliest. Thank you.